And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 78. Let me show you how you can create an outline text effect. When we use the text tool, by default, we get a text with a fill. We can give it a stroke in many ways, but the easiest nowadays is to use the two options. If you can't find them for the text tool, go to Window, Document Dialogs and click on it. Then open the drop down here and switch it to outlined and filled. It's not going to be given to the existing text, but to new text. You can already see that. And if you want to adjust existing text, you have to left click on it and then press Ctrl A. So you have to select the text up front and only then can you adjust it. So every other adjustments under two options without a text selection will be for new text. But now you can see it once just the outline and the one above with outline and fill. The direction is for the position of the stroke. You can see that better when we have an outline. So inner would overpaint the fill, outer would be stacked onto the fill, and center would position the stroke center on top of the fill. Besides the drop down for outline and the direction, also the line width is important. Obviously, that's the thickness of the stroke. So when you want to create a basic outline text, these are the three parameters to check. Give it an outline or outline and fill, pick a color, and then set the line width. And then you've got your outline text created in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.